Hey everyone, it's me Alex. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use an answering machine on your home phone using the Cell2Jack adapter. So let's just say you have an older phone that doesn't have an answering machine. Let's just say you have like a flip phone and you have it connected to the Cell2Jack. So to confirm that I have it connected to the Cell2Jack, let me go ahead and open it up right here on my Bluetooth. And as you can see, it says right there, Cell2Jack connected. So we have it on my cell phone's connected to the Cell2Jack. So in this video, I'm using the Panasonic KXTGE270, and as you can see, it has an answering machine. So to know if you have an answering machine, you want to look at the home phone you currently have and make sure it has an answering machine. So as you can see, it says answer on, and answer on.
Saturday, 7:13 p.m.
So to give this a demonstration to show you that the answering machine works with any home phone that has an answering machine. So as you can see, my cell phone, of course, is an iPhone that does have voicemail. But let's just say this was like a flip phone that didn't have one. So I'm going to give this a really quick test call. My cell phone's going to start ringing. And our house phones are going to start ringing. So this one is set to 4 rings. So after the 4th ring, it's going to start the answering machine. As you can see, it doesn't say talking caller ID, which it usually does with the Cell2Jack, but since I'm calling as an unknown, it doesn't say anything. So right now, it's going to go into the answering machine. As you can, it's going to say answering. As you can see, answering. So whatever greeting you have on your base is going to go to the caller. Hello? I'm going to do another test. Call was on mute, so it didn't work. I'm sorry. So we're going to do one more. And then this one, I'm going to go to another room to record a quick message on the home phone to show you that it works. So again, whatever greeting you have on here is what the caller is going to get. So as you can see, there we go, answering. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to another room to demonstrate that it's working. Hello?
Hello?
So as you can see, it's
going out to
the phone.
the phone. What do you call it? Sorry, the answering machine on the home phone. So even though we're using our cell phone, it's going to the answering machine. So this is cool, for example, like I said, if you have like a flip phone that has Bluetooth, but you still want to use your own phone. So as you can see, you can hear that it sounds pretty good. Of course, the quality depends on the home phone that you have. So now I'm going to play that to show you that it works. It works. Let's just say first question. Let's see how it sounds. Bye.
So it was a quick little test message. And now we're going to go ahead and get a playback. As you can see, it does say 8, so I got it.
New message. Hello? So as you can see, it's going out.
And as you can see, it's flashing new message.
So the what do you call it? Sorry, the answering machine on the home phone. So even though we're using our cell phone, it's going to the answering machine. So this is cool, for example, like I said, if you have like a flip phone that has Bluetooth, but you still want to use your own phone. So as you can see, you can hear that it sounds pretty good. Of course, the quality depends on the home phone that you have. So now let's get a playback to show you that it works. We'll just say first question. So let's see how it sounds. Bye.
And it did my iPhone end tone there, because technically, like, it answered the call.
Saturday,
Oh.
7, 6. End of final message.
So that's pretty much it. This is how to use answering machine with a Cell2Jack. So of course, you want to make sure the key points to get out of this video is you want to make sure that your home phone has an answering machine. So of course, look for the answer button. If you have a Panasonic, you want to look for answering machine. Of course, other home phones also do have answering machines. So this is pretty cool. If you do have like an iPhone like me though, you actually do want to turn this off though. Because if let's just say you're on your home around your house and somebody calls you, it's gonna answer this answering machine, but you wanted to go to your phone. But of course, this video is meant for those who have like an older phone who want to who don't have voicemail compatible to get it on your home phone. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.